Today I'm going to show you something extremely special because this is specifically for the people who are looking for alcohol-free attars. Of course, alcohol-free attars are the only thing because attars are concentrated perfume oil and they do not have alcohol in them. But then the other that I'm going to talk about is something that is really special because I have used this one multiple times right now currently in Ramadan. So it's a new brand known as NR Perfumes, and the other that we're going to talk about is Heavenly Dew. Now, the presentation is amazing. Considering the price point right now on their website, which is around 799 rupees, this is the presentation that you get. So it is a hard cardboard box. You get this, sticker here. I have removed it right now because I wanted to show you how it looks like. And, once you open it, this is what you get. So this is the attar. This is the final product. And I love this. Now, what's best here, the best thing that I've noticed here is that, it also has notes on it. So here you'll be able to see the notes. And in case you don't have any knowledge about how an attar smells like or what kind of notes are there in that specific attar or perfume, you can always refer to this. So it is a woody, vanilla, sweet, oud, and powdery kind of scent profile because these are the notes in it. And I agree. There are some things that are not mentioned because, of course, they cannot mention everything on the box. I'm really in love with the presentation. I mean, just check out the bottle here. It has some weight to it, and the golden accent gives this attar a royal kind of vibe. So you actually feel the royalty that is inside. And once again, like generally, I was expecting a dipstick in this, but then I believe the bottle is very small, so that they didn't give any kind of dipstick inside. So it has this roller. So it's a roll-on attar for your convenience. So you can easily apply it like this and you're good to go. So you just apply it on your pulse points. And I'll let you know how to apply the attar in a few moments. But then let's talk about the attar first. So, first of all, you can see how concentrated this is. I mean, you'll be able to see the oil lining here. So it is good. Now, talking about the scent profile, this is good. Now, this is a French based scent profile. I won't say that this is an entirely Middle Eastern or Oriental kind of scent profile, or all the oud and all the vetiver and stuff like that. No, this is a kind of scent profile, a kind of attar that you can wear anytime and anywhere. It's a safe to wear kind of scent profile. It is something that you can wear on your date night. It is something that you can wear in the office, and I am pretty sure not even a single soul is going to be offended by it. It has florals, it has sweet notes, it has oud, it has incense. You get this burning vibe, you get this smoky nuance in this one, a lot of things going on. And one thing is for sure, that this is a complicated scent profile, not a simplistic, monotonous kind of scent profile. This is going to change in time. As this is an attar, of course, it is going to perform for days if you apply it on your clothes. Now I'll tell you how to apply this attar or any attar for reference. So you just apply an attar here on the palm of your hand, and you apply it in a very nice manner. It should look oily. The palm should look oily, just like mine. You apply it like this, apply it on your pulse point and clothes. That's it. That is how you apply the attar in a most effective and amazing manner. And this is how, I've just taken a little bit. Generally, I take a lot more. So this is just for your reference. This is how you do it to get the most out of it. And if you're doing the same with this attar, there is 100% guarantee that this is going to last for more than 24 hours. It's a spicy, oudi, and floral kind of scent profile, a kind of scent profile that you generally wear when you are looking to impress people. There are two kinds of scent profile, in my opinion. This is what I always think. The first one is this. So this is a safe to wear scent profile, very impressive, very subtle, very French centric, sophisticated kind of scent profile. And the other scent profile is like Daniel Oud and all those stuffs, Mukhallat and Bakhur and stuff like that. So these are the scent profiles, the Mukhallat and all those stuffs are the kind of scent profiles that you wear for yourself. You do not need any kind of approval or any good thing about other coming from other people. But then if you wear something like this, I'm pretty sure that people are going to notice you, and I'm pretty sure that people are going to compliment you. So that is a very good thing about these attars. It's a kind of scent profile that is fit for both men and women. So it's unisex in my opinion. I have not categorized this one as a men or women kind of scent profile. It's a unisex scent profile for me. The sillage and projection is amazing. I mean, generally attars do not have alcohol, so they don't actually project. I mean, it is literally not their job to project. They are best to stay on your skin or clothes for hours, and that is the best work that they can do. But then this one is something that is going to project as well. Project as in, up to 4 to 5 feet. So whenever you make any kind of movement, you or anyone around you is going to detect this attar. They are going to sense it, and that is the best thing about this one. Now, if you're looking for a pocket friendly attar that smells amazing, that projects, and that is amazing sillage, and it's pretty much safe to wear, plus the presentation is also good. It comes in this box, and it comes with this ribbon. you know Here you get it like this, so it looks amazing as well. In case you're planning to gift it to someone, it's a good choice, because the bottle is also good. It looks very precious and royal kind of bottle, so it's a good one. If you're planning to buy one, I'll mention the links in the detail, just check it out.